You already know what the heck going on. Bringing it back with another video today. Today I'm going to be attempting to lower my fronts that already seem to be maxed, but I'm gonna see if we messed up the preload, or I might just end up taking a collar off because we got Slammedenuff coming up and I'm getting some smaller tires. So I'll definitely be able to go lower. Once I do that, I don't know when, but I'll probably do the rears another day because that's the whole project in itself. Because the coils are separate from the struts, so that requires me to do a whole bunch of other stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm waiting on Ben's. He's bringing me some jack stands. I already have a jack. I have big truck jack stands, so I'd have to jack up my car extremely high to put those on, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna wait on the regular jack stands, and I have my jack. I got my car on wood blocks because I have like a regular standard jack. I don't have a low pro, so I'm waiting on that, and then I'll be able to get started. Alright, so Vince just got here. He has the jack stands that I need, and now I can get started.
Stop it.
So I got the jack stands. I'm gonna start with the whole front, so I'm gonna do it on both sides. I already got the jack under the car on the other side. Alright, so this is what I was talking about when I think it's maxed out. Like, all these are all the way down, but I don't know how far it is, because usually when you lower the threaded part down in there, but I don't know how far down it is in there. So what I'm gonna do is probably take it out. Alright, so I just got done setting up the air compressor, because your boy got air tools. So this is gonna take so much longer than it did previously.
What?
Alright, so quick update. I got the jack set up, so I'm gonna take this out. And so this should drop. This whole setup should drop. So then I'll be able to take that out, and then I'm gonna go up from the top and just pull the entire coilover out. I'm probably gonna dial out just a tad bit of camber.
Take it slow.
Alright, so I got the bolt off that I needed to get off. Now I just need to figure out how to separate. It's like a little C-clamp type of thing, so it's like that. I need to figure out how I can separate that in order to get the strut loose.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so I got the wheel assembly off of the strut. So now, you know what? I'm probably just gonna keep this on and just twist this all the way down to take this collar off to see how much thread is in here. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Alright, so another update. I gotta take the screws out from the top hat and then pull it down because these might be C's, so I need to put it on the ground so I can get some more leverage. Alright, so Corey's here. The issue I was having was trying to get this strut off, the strut housing off, and he just got here. And we clamped it to a table and took a set of pliers and twisted the entire strut, so that broke it loose. So now I just took the collar off. Now I'm putting it back on.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
All right, so now we just gotta lock it and put it back on and see how low it is. I'm probably gonna drop this side just to see. I might need a second wood block though, which is fine. All right, guys, the moment of truth. Go ahead. Keep going, keep going. What? All right, so we didn't get much lower on this side. Well, probably because we didn't lower both sides, but it was low enough to do the second side. So I have like a 1 finger gap, so hopefully that's enough. It's fine. I'm not really trying to be all maxed out super low, but just lower than I was before. All right, so I just took the collar off of the second coilover. Now I just gotta put it back in, put all the nuts and bolts and stuff, and then put it back on. All right, so I just got done putting the car back together and I took the tent down. But my car only lowered a little bit. I only have a 1 finger gap now, which is fine. I wasn't planning on going that low. I was just trying to get as low as I could. But let me show you how low it is. It's still on the wood block, so maybe it'll lower when I take it off. But so this is just as low as I am now, which is fine. Like I wasn't expecting too much out of it. Maybe once I just get some new coilovers or something, or maybe bags, it'll be lower. But until then, I still got some smaller tires to put on there. I hope it doesn't look too weird, but it should be fine. But yeah, that's about it. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end of the video. Just a little spoiler alert, I might just get some RPF ones. I hope this surprise comes a little sooner than I expected to. But yeah, my car didn't go as low as I wanted to, so I'm just gonna have to settle for a different set of wheels. How about that? Can't stand with car anymore until I get a new set of suspension. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video if you haven't already, and subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I will see you guys next video. Peace.